delete a template that you no longer want. First thing you're going to do is hover over the template you no longer want, and you'll get an icon, and you click on it and then click delete, and give it a second and it disappears. Now we want to create a new template. We're going to choose the drop and drag editor. Once you've selected that, you can begin to creating your template. First, name your template. We're going to name it DWLI video, and also the email subject is going to be the same thing, DWLI video. Now there's three types of templates: the standard, the welcome, and unsubscribe. Those will be handled through Lears. So we're going to select standard, then click edit template. The first thing we're going to do is grab a block, and here's all the other options that you have. There's no blocks that are selected. There's just the basic designed configurations. So let's go back to our blocks. First thing we're going to do is grab a block, put it in. Now we're going to select what kind of content. Put a title in. Then we're just going to insert our title that we want. For this video, it's drop and drag demo. Don't quite like the offset, so we're going to center it. And there's some other things you can do. Add links, different font sizes, what have you. So now we're going to grab a second block and stick in there. And then we're going to grab an image content, stick it in that block. Now we got a bunch of images already loaded into the site. So we're just going to grab this one and insert it. Now we're going to grab another block, stick in there. We grab the 3-column block. And what we're going to do is throw some text in there. Once we get all the text loaded in. And now we're going to grab a video. We'll have to put another block in. Once we've inserted that block, go back and grab our video content. As you can see, there's 3 different formats that can be used. We're using YouTube for this. It's a Windows or WordPress tutorial. And so we got 3 different blocks of content. And so we're going to put another block in, insert a separator. Now you can also add, we're going to add another block. You can also add an article. If you already have an article on your site, you can insert that content already in that you have prepared. But seeing how this is a new site, there is no content for articles. we're going to go ahead and we're going to close out of this, but this is where you would put what type of content and insert your article. So we're going to go back and we're going to just pull in another block. And this time we're going to put in a button into our block. And we're going to click on the button, and that'll give you the settings for that particular block. And this works with any block. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to change the button name. We're just going to type Visit Us. You can make it as long or as short as you want. So for this purpose, we just make it Visit Us. We're going to put in the URL. And for us, it's dwli.net. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit. Here's a couple things we're going to do. First thing to do is we're going to change the color of that button. So we're going to pick something greenish just to change it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. We can also scroll down a little bit more and we can change the padding of the width and the height of the button. Yeah, we're going to leave it about right there. So now we're going to review what we've made, and then we're going to apply our template. And now we have a template that is ready to use whenever we want to make our next mailing. So I hope you found this video informative on creating a drop and drag template. The next video we will demonstrate how to send that template to the list. See you next time.